My name is Ahmad Hegazy. I'm a static equipment design engineer. In this video I will show you the capabilities of my program, and I will show you how to make a pressure vessel by using this program. First, you should have my program. After that, open the vessel assembly. From Design tab here, you can write the heading which it will appears in the drawing, the project title, location, client, and here write the vessel title, vessel tag number, the designer, revision number. All of this data you will fill it. Now we will open the horizontal vessel data. From the horizontal vessel data, you can see here the general vessel data. About the inside diameter, you can change easily the inside diameter and change the 10 to 10. We will change the 10 to 10 to that number, like that. And here you can also activate the clad like that if there is internal clad, and you can write here the thickness of internal clad. You can select the type of the heads: elliptical head, the left head, or flat dashed head, or hemispherical head, or semi-elliptical head, or tetraspherical head. More options you will find inside the head. If we open the head, you will find here the dialog box, which you can change the head data. If you check box the user defined crown and knuckle radius, from here you can change these factors. By using any other type of the elliptical head, you will find the factors of the crown and knuckle radius. Let's make it elliptical head. The same thing you will find it in the right head. We will activate the courses, shell courses. From this window of the left elliptical head, you can change the thickness, minimum thickness after forming, straight flange length here, and from the shell courses you will change the shell course thickness and the longitudinal welding line orientation. We can see that if we make it finish the section view, we can see the longitudinal welding line orientation here. We will activate the second course and make it with that number. We will change the thickness. We will see the longitudinal welding line at that degree. We will change it to the value like that. We will add another course of the shell. Change the thickness. If we need more courses, we could make it by using the others. We will change the saddle locations now. The left saddle from this dialog box of the left saddle. From here we can change the type of the saddle like that. We will select that type. From here we will change the height of the saddle, the saddle contact angle, saddle width. All of these data should be filled. The wear plate thickness, base plate length, base plate width, thickness, and we will change the material of each part from here. And if we want the saddle sides straight, just we will make that, and we will see it becomes a straight sides. We will change that value again like that and make it type 1, update. From here we can change the holing type. If we have just 2 holes, or 4, 6 holes, 8 holes, 10 holes, and here we write the spacing between holes in the longitudinal direction and in short direction. Hole diameter. If we make it a fixed saddle, the slight hole will disappear. If we check this checkbox and change the offset slot length, it will be changed. From here we can change the number of reps like that, make it 4 reps or 5 reps like that. We will make it 4 reps. We will go to the next saddle. In the assembly of the saddles we can make the both saddles are the same by checking this button. The 2 saddles are the same, and from here we will change the location of the saddle. Make it like that. And that one. Like that. We can make this saddle differ from that saddle. He will change the type, like that, and make it 3 ribs. Date. We will select that type here. After that we will add stiffening rings to this vessel. We will open the stiffening rings data, and from this dialog box we will activate the first external ring like that, and we can change the type of that ring like that, and change the location. If you want to make more changes in the dimensions, we will just change, like here, the height, the width, thicknesses, like that. We will add another one here, and we will make high beam too. We will make changes 25, like that. We will add an inner ring as a value. We will make it a ring like that. We will change like that. Finish. Now we have internal and external rings. If you want to add some shell nozzles from that window, we will activate the first nozzle. After that, from here, we will select the size, and change the schedule, orientation angle, location, projection, if it's a helicide nozzle or not. We will change the location. We will make it with a threaded flange. Like that. Here we will write the pipe material, pad material, the flange material. If we don't need the pad, reinforced pad, we will select that checkbox. Here we will write the nozzle description and the service. We will add another nozzle. From here we will change the projection to the value, and we will change the size. And the schedule. And the location, like that. We will make it a helicide nozzle. In this case, you can see that 0 angle here, and the offset of this nozzle will be clockwise in that direction, and the orientation of flange face, we will make it 90 degree, like that. We will change the type of this nozzle to weld neck flange, and we have different options. Make it RTG weld neck flange, like that. Change the rating of the flange. We will add blind. You can see here the blind flange will appear, the gasket and the stud bolts. We can add a reinforced bed here. And we could change the bed thickness and the bandwidth like that. Here we will write the nozzle description. We will write the material of each part: pipe, bed, flange, gasket, stud bolt, nut, material, and the gasket type. All of these data will appear in the bill of material. We will add another nozzle like that, and we will change its data. We will change the projection. We will select the size. Select the schedule, pipe schedule, and make it a forged hub, and make the orientation, change the orientation like that. And here we will change the hub height from here, and change the hub thickness, and we can change the bevel angle to like that. From here we can add blind stud bolts gasket by checking this checkbox. And we can change the type of the facing from here. Like RTG, or make it without any flange like that. We will write the description. After you finish your pressure vessel, I will show you how the general arrangement drawing will be prepared in little minutes. Now we will open the general arrangement drawing. Here you will find the bill of material of this pressure vessel here, with weights, materials, description, detailed description. Here you will find the first part is an elliptical head. One item is required. The ID of this head is 1200. The thickness, minimum after forming thickness, straight flange length, the material, the weight of this head. Now we will make some little changes to know. We will change the type of this head to a hemispherical head like that, and we will change the inside diameter like that. We will save. We will go to the general arrangement drawing, and the description of the head changes to hemispherical head, and the detailed description changes too. Here, for nozzle N2, we will remove the blind flange and the stub bolts and the gasket. From here, we will remove these accessories. We will go to the bill of material. The description of those items are deleted. From here, you can calculate the total weight easily, like that. Like that. That's the total weight per kilograms, and the total area inside and outside if you want to paint this vessel. We will go back to the general arrangement drawing, and for the welding details we will activate the flange weld detail and the pipe with shell weld and the bad weld, like that. General notes and design data can be added to, and the nozzles data can be added to. Thank you for your time.